am Ms. Kaniswatma from the Educator Farooq campus. Class, today date 17 December 2020 and day Thursday. Before we start our class, we should recite the dua. Raise your hand and recite the dua with me. Rabbi yassir wala tu'assir tammim bil khair. Ameen. Now class, look at me. What I did? I push my hand and pull my body. When I push and pull, because of this, I get up or stand. Now class, pushing and pulling, two things which we use for doing the so many works in our daily life. Just like we walk, how we walk? By the force. And which force? Force we use for walking, pushing and pulling. Class, our body also do so many things, and which we our food, and we drink water, and our heart also beating, and our lungs also be inhaling the oxygen and exhaling the carbon dioxide. How these all thing is done? These all thing is done by the force. Which force? Pull and push. You all love to play with the toys. When what you do? You push the toy and toy start running. It is also by the force of the pushing. Now we bend the wire. Bending the wire is also the force of pushing and the pulling. And other example, elastic. We use the elastic or rubber band in the so many purposes. These band we uses for the force which we pull and push. Now class I am going to show you a very interesting activity. You all have seen then your mother is sewing your clothes and so many different things. The sewing is also because of the pull and the push. Now I am pulling the needle. Now I am pulling. Now it's pushing. By the pulling and pushing, our cloth is also sewing. Who like the lemon squeeze? I think you all like in the summer season. When we squeeze the lemon, it's also by the force of the pull and push. Now we have learned the so many work which we done and the so many work naturally done. Which work naturally done? Chewing, heart beating, as well as inhaling the oxygen and exhaling the carbon dioxide. These all are the natural work which we done. This all work is done by the pulling and the pushing. And we didn't observe it. So many things is done by the pulling and the pushing. Now we learned it. Our next topic is what the force can do. Force can move the object. This object is moved by the force which I provide by my hand, and as well as speed of the, when I provide the more force, and it's also speed and direction also changed by the force. And also force can change the shape, just like I have the paper. When I'm giving the force, and after that it's change its shape. Chapter number 10, Force, Work and Energy, page number 87. Now we pull and push so many different things during the day. All our movement are the result of some kind of force. The movement of the hand of the clock. Yes, the movement of the hands of the clock, you know that it is also by the force. The aeroplane fly in the sky and leaf rustling in the wind. You know that when the wind blows and the leaf start rustling just like this, is just because of the force. Which force? By the force of the wind. The force is push or pull, the movement of and the moves by the pull and the push. the body can move and stop also. In our body, force make the heart beat and lungs take air in it. We chew the food, we write, we walk, exercise and do so many things by the force. Or the tug of war is also the best example of the pushing and the pulling. The one group is the pushing and second group is pulling. Now, what can force do? Move an object, also stop a moving object, change speed and direction, and change the shape of any object. Now class, we have also seen in so many time is written the door of the shops pull or push. In a moving car, driver used to use the brake when he sees a cow in front. You know that when the driver brake the car or stop the car is push back side. The brake acts in the opposite direction. The car is moving forward when the driver stop the car and brake do the work in the opposite direction, and for this the car stop. Class, now you have seen when the bowler throw the ball, what happened when the batsman hit the ball. It's also need the force. Now class, you do the so many times this experiment. What you taken the empty plastic bottle, when you jump on it, what happened? Its shape change. The force can change the shape also. Class, now I am giving you the homework. Exercise A, page number 94, and question number 1, what is force? You have learned what is force, and the question number 2, what are the things that force can do? Question number 1 and the question number 2 is your homework. Number 6 is also your homework. Define energy. Name the 3 different forms of energy. 1, 2 and 6. Yes class, your homework. First you have to make the title page, chapter name, force, work and energy, and exercise A, question number 1, 2 and 6 on the page number 94. Class, we will meet in the Zoom class. So till then, Allah Hafiz.